Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. So another video on ticker symbol BBIG, which is for Vinco Ventures, and this video is mainly for an update on this particular one. Especially their earning is next week, is on tomorrow, Monday. So I just want to talk about the technicals mainly and some news on the earning, then some tied off spin-off, and at the same time some other news, option chain activity, support, resistance, those kind of things. So it's an update because many people just ask what is happening, is BBIG dead, what is happening, so these kind of things. So anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my Patreon community. As an example, each day we make a list of the day trade and swing trade thing, and as an example, Friday we did really good with big gains like 20, 30, 40, 50% gain. So if you like support, resistance, this kind of idea, just join my Patreon so that you can get access to my Discord channel and we can all make money together. And during the day, pre-market, you will get, even like tonight, you will get lots of alert for tomorrow. So give a try, $9 per month. Anyway, let's go back to BBIG. So first of all, BBIG, we know how this thing was moving, right? At one point, $2, $3, then went up $10, so volatile, came back all the way to $5, $6, again another push to 11.8, another cooling off to 7, then final push was around 12.25. So anyway, it came down, then some date has been changed for the spin-off, and then the momentum died. So you can see, even though it goes up and down, but slowly these things dying. I shouldn't say dying, like it's bleeding, right? It has been coming down. So I will talk about the chart mostly, how you should be thinking about playing BBIG. But before that, some of the things most probably you know already. If you do not know, so they will release their result for the third quarter ending September 30th, and after the market close on Monday, November 22nd. So it will be November 22nd, Monday, the earning will be released, but the conference call will be held in the morning, Tuesday, November 23rd, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I will try to make it live on my YouTube channel so that you can see the live earning call. And for that, you have to subscribe and you have to select all of your notifications so that whenever I go live, you will know. So anyway, that is one news. The other news, people, you know, like this is the spin-off, right? Spin-off with Cryptide. So what is the thing? So the spin-off would make Cryptide a stand-alone publicly traded NASDAQ listed company under the ticker symbol TYDE, right? So the thing is, TYDE will be another one, and that thing will be anytime in 2021. So there is no firm date, but it will be sometime 2021. Currently this is 21st of November. We have 10 days here, another 1 month in December. We will see. Okay, so how is gonna happen? So the distribution ratio in the spin-off is 1 share of Cryptide common stock for every 10 shares of Vinco common share. So if you have 100 BBIG, so you will get 10 shares of Tide. Okay, for example, if the shareholder holds 1000 BBIG, then they will get 100 shares of Tide. The distribution is currently anticipated to be tax-free. Also, currently expected number of outstanding shares of Cryptide common stock is approximately 19 million. This is the based on the current time. One important thing, once the spin-off will be there, Vinco will continue to trade under BBIG ticker symbol on NASDAQ following completion of these things. So still after the spin-off, BBIG will be there. You can still trade BBIG. Okay, and they are currently planned subsequent merger with ZASH. Okay, so they are gonna merge. This is another news, right? And if you most probably you know, because that news is not new, so they will do some merger sometime, right? So anyway, so let's have a look, because we know this thing has been bleeding off, and you can see last Friday it was down by 2.7%. The average volume is very low, 19 million compared to volume, and last Friday's volume was only 11 million. If you look at the chart, at one point it was really hot. It was around $8-10. Daily trading volume was around 300 million, and now is only 10 million. So definitely it needs volume to move, right? So one important thing, look at the next push from $5 all the way to $8. The volume was more than 100 million, and now the volume is only like 10 million, 12 million. So it needs volume. This is one very important thing. Now let's look at the option chain activity. So I want to look at two things. So the first one is 19th of November option expiry date. You see so many call options, they had around 4, 4.5, 5, lots of open interest, but the stock price was 3.86, so all of them expired worthless. If you look at the next monthly expiration, which is 17th of December, still people are betting for 4, 5 and 6. Look at the number 19,000. Now if I go to January 2022, January, look at these numbers. These are bigger, not 19,000. They are betting 54,000 open interest for 5 strike price, 68,000 call option open interest, right, for 6 strike price. And most probably people are anticipating the spin-off sometime in December, and they are anticipating a nice run up in December. That is why I think the January open interest is even more. Not very expensive. If you buy a call option, it is after 63 days, and one call option for 5 strike price is only $45. And we know last time it went to $8, $10, $12. So this thing can really run. So keep that in mind. Regarding the short interest, you can see the current borrow fee for the shorts is only 31%, and currently there are 700,000 shares are available to short. So you can see the chart moves and up and down. The current short interest ratio is 25%. The dark pool short volume ratio is for 40%. And if I come down, there is nothing exciting. Now let's go back to the chart. And by the way, if you are liking this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, at the same time join my community. Okay, so we know how this thing is moving. This is like 11.9 low. So let's look at the bottom, so where we are now. So even though it is on a downtrend, it has been making lower highs, right? You can see it has been lower high. If you want me, I can always just draw a line. Let me just draw a line, maybe this is easy. Okay, so this is something, right? So it tries to push up, then comes down. So lower high is definitely something, we call it like a downtrend, right? You see lower high, lower low, it has been going down. But if you know the support resistance, you can always make some day trading or some scalping, just getting in at the support, the next bounce you make some money. So there was a resistance around 3.94 area, and that thing broke and now is coming down. If you look at the hourly chart, it came below 3.9 area and trying to push, but it got rejected here, right? You see here, it got rejected at 3.9, it's coming down. But if you see, maybe there is some opportunity for a push up. So let's look at what are the next support if still this thing is coming down. So I'm gonna draw some more lines here. So I see something maybe around 3.23. Yeah, I know it is at 3.9, but this thing can really come down, because if the earning is bad, if the earning is not good, there is some room to come towards 3.6 or 3.3, or who knows. I'm not gonna go too far, maybe 2.9. Don't forget, in mid-August it was around $2. So even though I'm talking about a lot like 2.9, but don't get me wrong, 3.8 to $3 on a bad earning or any kind of bad news, if they say the spin-off will not be in December, it will be sometime in, let's say, early 2022, this thing can tank. If you look at the chart, this is bleeding, right? This thing is coming down. On the other hand, if there is any good news, good earning, or any particular date on the spin-off, you might see a bounce. So few things. Important thing is it has to go over 3.9 area, then maybe it will run towards like 4.3 area. After 4.3, I see some resistance around 4.6, $5, 5.5, and if we see some kind of movement, definitely we will play accordingly. The earning is after hours, so if you are in already, just make sure you have a stop loss in place, or you are prepared to buy at a lower price if you are long on this one. I know Seeking Alpha gave a price target of $20, $40, but just think about it. Currently it is at $3.9, so 40 is like 10, more than 10 times, 15 times. So use your judgment and you decide your price. But anyway, from $3, if it goes to $5, $6, I think I should be happy. So anyway, Nothing exciting, as I said, but again, earning is always something I always say. It's a gamble. It can go up, it can go down. If you're holding, you want to average down, then just look at the black lines here. These are the support. You want to grab some share. On the other hand, if you see the earning is good after hour, that thing was running pre-market, that thing might run. In that case, you need to look at the red lines here, which are the I would say around the resistance. So anyway, I also released 2 videos this morning. One was on ticker symbol PROG probe, the other one is ticker symbol ASTR. During the weekend ASTR, they have successfully launched into the space, so I'm very excited. Pre-market, that thing can really run. Check my videos at the same time if you find this video useful, even though it's not very exciting, but just an update video. Like the video, subscribe my channel. Always I say, give a try, join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, and let's make some money together. So thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.